So, good morning, everyone. We are discussing about last class new. So, like data engineering project, banking customer 360 analytics, like technology stack. We are using source systems, technology like Oracle SQL Server and MySQL, file storage, S3, blob, GCS, and ingestion, Airflow, data warehouse, Snowflake, transformation, DBT. Modern data vault to reporting Power BI tab. So yesterday from different source systems, so Oracle SQL Server MySQL to we create this one, the Airflow pipeline. With that, we load data, we push data at S3 block and the cloud storage, and then after Snowflake stage, copy into raw tables, raw database, DBT staging, border and data vault, like we have Blink satellite, then business vault. Okay, so after that, business vault, information vaults, Power BI tableau, and we have discussed up to DBT staging. So now we're going to discuss about uh, next modern data vault 2, and here banking source tables like customer account transaction loan card, these things, and Oracle exports customer table every for 1 hour and Airflow schedules for every 30 minutes, and it's going to push into S3 and the customer underscore 20260710.csv like 11 like 12, and then Azure block and cloud storage. Why multiple storages? So large organizations often acquire. So other companies are operate across multiple cloud. Okay, here listen what large large organizations often acquire other companies or large organizations often acquire other companies or abroad operate across multiple cloud providers. Okay, listen carefully. Large organizations often acquire other companies or operate across multiple cloud providers. AWS customer data, Azure loan data, GCP card and payment data. So a data engineering integrates all of them into Snowflake. So stage, create stage like bank stage, okay, SD stage, carpenter routing. Okay, so DBT staging. So what we doing here? So when you have the raw table, raw customer like customer ID, name, city, then we have no business logic is applied in the raw layer. So to the raw table to raw customer. So customer name, city 1001 John Hyderabad, 1002 David Delhi. So no business logic is applied here. And debit staging layer, file name, okay. Then stage customer.sql. So we're going to put like that. In DBT, we're going to create one model, file name, and is customers. For that, we're going to create stage underscore customer dot SQL. So DVD staging layer, file name is customer, and we're going to create a model like stage underscore customer dot SQL. So task is like rename the columns, remove duplicates, trim spaces, convert data types, and standardize values. Okay. So next, so anyone can ping in the group chain all. Okay. And so why DBT here? So DBT is used for data cleaning, data transformation, business rules, documentation, data quality testing. Okay. So next, now we're going to see about these things, modern data vault 2. So this is for new guys. So instead of start schema directly, so many companies first build a data vault. So it's going to consist of like hub, okay, and link and satellite. Satellite. Okay. So here we're going to have like anyone can ping in group and ask to join for all. Okay. And here we're going to have like hub customer, and here we're going to give like business keys, and like HK customer. Okay, see business keys. I will type here HK. So customer, okay, and customer, so ID. Okay, so here we're going to have like an example HK101 and customer ID is 1001 and HK 102. Then this one is 1002. So this is the data we're going to have. Okay, this is for business keys for this customer, and we have the how account. Okay, here we're going to have see HK account, and we're going to have HK account and account ID. So think like HA101 and here account ID maybe like 101. Then here HA102. Then here A102. It's account ID. Okay. So this is hub account. Okay. Then link customer account. So how we go to link? What the giant Prasad Raghu Ram Venkat Prasad. So next is like link customer, okay, account. How we go to link the customer account? Okay, so it's like having the relationships. Okay, so link key, link key, and HK customer. Then HK account. 101 customer like HK 101 and this one is like okay, HA101. Think like L102. Then here go like with HK102 and your HK account is like diff value is like the HK account is HA102. So then we have SAT customer. Here like see descriptive. Okay, descriptive. Okay, attributes here we're going to keep attributes. Attributes means what is the meaning of attributes? Anyone can? I asked one question. What are the attributes? What are the attributes here? Meaning of attributes I'm asking.
Name of the rows and
The name of
the like HK customer name.
yeah, these are attributes. HK customer name, city, load data are the attributes. Okay, simple attributes are nothing but like columns. So load date. Take like time. Okay. This is the load table. Okay. So again, we're going to have same another value like take 102. So name is David. So from delete. So he is like 10 July. Okay. So this is which table? SAT customer. So then business vault. So I will explain what is business BL. So here what we want is business calculations added here. Okay. So like example, see, think so example for business calculations. Okay, added here. Okay, so are we going to see the example I'm giving? Okay, see customer risk code. So customer risk score. What is the meaning of risk score? What is the score here? What is the risk score here? Customer segment. Customer segment. Then loan eligibility. Now tell me what is the risk score here?
Credit score,
Yeah,
CIBIL score.
yeah, that's and average balance at net banking. Okay. So these things we going to business vault, business calculation added like example customer risk score like credit score, CIBIL score, customer segment, loan eligibility, not loan eligibility, average balance, and net banking status. So net banking status here you can see. Then next goes to data mart. So what we going to have in that data mart? Data mart. So reporting teams. We're going to have here reporting teams like team customer. Dim means what is a dim means? If we
Dimension
talk
data.
what?
Dimension data.
Yeah. If you replay, I can tell more. I can skip this right. So I don't need to type. Simply, I can just tell it business vault, customer score, segment, eligibility, balance, status, then banking status. Simply, I can go right. When you're typing this something, you need to get real time experience. So you're going to type. You're going to work with this data in real time. So completely Snowflake plus modern data well is upcoming projects we have. Okay. Present ongoing projects in IBM. So other companies are going to get these projects. So customer ID, customer name, and city. And take like while 1001, John, and take cities Hyderabad. Okay. Then take 1002, David. Okay. So take is from Delhi. Okay. This is Hyderabad. Delhi. Okay. This is for deep customer table, and we are going to have a fact transaction, right? Fact. Okay. Fact. Why fact and why we need this modeling? We can have everything in we can create simply, right, table. Why we are calling modeling, and why this need for fact transaction, and why we need to have only numeric data in the fact, why we don't have the description data. This is the interview question. Why we don't have description data in fact transaction table, in fact tables. Not in transaction, in fact tables. In all transaction, why we are, so we can give a description data, right? Like city name, customer name. Why we have only numeric data in fact transaction? Why? Any money? Why we have only numeric data in fact transaction table or any other fact tables? Why we have only numeric? Why we don't have the description data? Anybody can guess? Anybody can guess? In real time, so in while you are working, you're going to write 10 pages of SQL code and procedures, UDFs, okay, tasks inside. As you go to write like 10 pages or 20 pages of SQL code. So if you want to check with other tables, if you have description data, it will take the time and cost. That's why we have fact, only numeric data and description data in the dimension tables. Some other region data in the sub-dimension tables. So that's why we are joining the multiple tables, right? So if you have every data, description data in the fact table, it will take time, and if it takes the time, it means we need to pay more cost. So that's why we have only numeric data in this fact tables. Okay, clear? Get it my point? Am I clear, guys? Prasad, Sravani, Venkat Prasad, Raghu, am I clear? Ooh, అర్థమైందా నేను చెప్పింది? అర్థమైందా లేదా? మళ్ళీ చెప్పాలా? అర్థమైందా?
Yes, sir.
Power BI dashboard. Okay, business users can view users can business users, okay, can view what they can view: daily transactions and active customers, then loan, okay, loan distribution, then credit, yes, credit card, credit card usage, then city wise customers, okay, then branch performance, then revenue analytics, revenue analysis. Okay, these things taken. And one more last one, very important, fraud Okay, fraud. Okay, monitoring. Monitor. These things they use. Okay, fraud monitoring. Fraud monitoring. So these things. Okay. So what business users can view here: daily transaction, active customers, loan distribution, credit card usage, city-wise customers, branch performance, revenue analysis, fraud reporting. Who would see? Not we, not customers, business users. Okay, they are paying to us. Okay, so what is complete? Okay, complete end-to-end flow. Now, can anybody can tell? I will type end-to-end flow. So Oracle. Okay, Oracle. Then
From Oracle to we get the data from Oracle to
Oracle
S3.
SQL Server. Yeah, right one. Good one. Oracle SQL Server. MySQL. Okay. Then Flow, Airflow, scheduling. Okay. Then AWS S3 and Azure. What is Azure? Azure Blob.
Azure Blob,
Yeah. Then good guy.
GC,
GCS. Okay.
GCS.
Then after Snowflake external.
Copy. Okay.
Yeah, right. External. First integrate state, then after
Copy
copying. Okay.
into
Copy into where?
copy copy into the Azure S3
Raw
URL ID.
layer. In the raw layer, we have the raw tables. Okay. So do we copy. Then after DBT staging. In Snowflake, we have raw layer, staging layer, curated layer. In DBT, staging layer, intermediate layer, mart layer, snapshot layer. Okay. Then after modern data vault. So what it going to do? So we're going to have like hub plus link plus 30 line here. Okay. Then after business vault, what are the what we do in the business vault?
We try to get the complete information about the customer.
Yeah, see here, right? Business vault. Okay. Customer risk score, customer segment, loan eligibility, average balance, and net banking status. These we will do in the business vault. Okay. So I'm the first person who is teaching modern data vault with Snowflake with this workflow. Okay, from Oracle, Airflow, S3, Blob, GCS, Snowflake, copy command, raw tables, DBT staging, then modern data vault, then business vault, star schema, fact and dimension, Power BI tablet. I'm the first person who is teaching this. Okay, in not only India, completely worldwide. So they're going to teach only modern data vault two only. But I am here teaching with everything like Oracle, SQL Server, MySQL, Airflow, S3, Blob, GCS, external stage, Snowflake external stage, copy into raw tables, DBT staging, modern data vault, hub link, satellite, business vault, star schema, fact and dimension, Power BI, Tableau. You can check in the anywhere YouTube or Udemy. You can't find these things. Okay. So business vault, then star schema. You check anywhere in the YouTube or Udemy courses, okay, for any other online. HANA records are available, right? Video recordings, check anywhere. Okay. Even you can't find in Udemy also, in YouTube also. Okay. Star schema and complete full end-to-end flow. Oracle to Power BI. In between Airflow, S3, Snowflake, copy, raw, DBT, modern, hub links at a business vault, stars, pack dimension. So first person. Okay. Okay. I'm the first person because of everybody knows. Few people knows about Snowflake, few know about modern data vault. Okay. Modeling. Higher level people like architect. So what I have no these are things. Okay. That's why I'm giving to you. Okay. So learn. Okay. You're going to get job end of the August 31st. Everyone is going to get job. So it means not who already in the my time in the school from June 1st who are in the group like from July 1st before who are in the group, everyone going to get the jobs. So not for new guys, it will take September from then. Okay. Tableau. So this is complete workflow. So here, what are the interview questions they're going to ask in the interview questions on these topics? So why do we use Airflow instead of scheduling SQL jobs? Why store files in S3 blob GCS before loading into Snowflake? Okay. And what is the purpose of Snowflake stage? Why do we use copying instead of manual insert? What is the difference between raw and staging layers? Why use DBT instead of writing all transformation in SQL? So what are hub link satellite tables in modern data vault? So why build a business vault before creating a data marts? So what is the difference between a fact and dimension table? So if a file errors late in S3, how would you Airflow and Snowflake handle it? Okay. So this is end-to-end banking, like example, like reflects a modern enterprise data engineering pipeline and gives student to you. Okay, you are students, you are give like students like a strong foundation before we go with into Snowflake, DBT, Airflow, cloud storage, one more like and data vault, subsequent other classes. So this okay, that is completely workflow. Stick with it, and okay, I'm sharing these questions. Okay, and must submit. Okay, end of the day. Okay, and any doubt as of now we will end the class because of we don't have all. And one more thing, I not having my laptop, it is in the service center, so that why there is bank data and
Can,
everything in that laptop. Okay, now in that laptop I don't have any bank data, so we will learn everything parallelly, not SQL one time. Okay, I mean, not SQL one time, DBT one time, okay, modern one time, SQL, not different time, everything like real time, how you work, one manager, team lead, as a Snowflake developer, DBT developer, a modern architect, admin, developer, analyst, reporting, ETL guys, everyone, right? So everything, how they work, we do everything, every work. So you can apply for architect and admin also, even developer you can apply. Already we know that enlist also. So everything it like complete package for netdel for remember these things. Okay. So okay, complete flow, Oracle, Airflow, S3, Snowflake, copy, raw, dbt, modern data vault, hub link satellite, and business vault, star schema, fact dimension, power BI, and tableau. Okay. So thank you guys, thanks for joining, and ask to other
Madhu,
people go with today class. Tell me
can you go to first page, like
this one.
starting of the class?
This one, right?
No, no, not this. From HK customer, that from bit more. Yeah, can you explain this topic because
Okay.
because the new one also.
So here we have so first thing, hub link satellite we have three. Okay, in the modern data world. Here hub customer table is there for that business keys, customer ID. Hub account having like HK account ID, link customer account, like link key, HK customer HK account. Okay, SAT customer descriptive attributes, business vault. Okay, so here we do practical, right? So in that time you will get idea because of so I know these things everything practically, so I can give this now because of inputs now. So while we go with the practical, then you will get idea what is HK customer, what is business key, what is surrogated key, what is link key, HK customer, HK account. Okay, one by one you
Okay.
can get it. Okay, now you just see the picture, keep in your mind as a picture. When I do the practical, then you will get full about it. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. So my data in that another laptop service center. So today I'll bring and maybe 3 p.m. class we'll complete Snowflake today. And from attend this batch because of this is batch completely how one person goes to company, how they work in the team. Okay, like that I'm going to give. Okay, not like a separate topic like Snowflake DBT. Okay, everything we will full package. Okay, thank you guys. Have a great day. Happy weekend. So we meet on 3 p.m. and Monday next. Bye. And ask to other must watch this video. Okay. Ask to get that recording today recording video because it is very important. Thank you.